Do you want to delete all your watch history on YouTube? Well, this is how you do it on your phone. Okay, so first we're going to open up the app, and then from the app we're going to want to go down to our profile on the bottom right here. Go ahead and click that. Then we're going to want to go to the settings on top right there. We're clicking that, and then we will see manage all history. Go ahead and click that. Might take a few seconds. Okay, so then from here we're going to go down. You're going to be in YouTube history now, and you will see right here it says delete. Now it's going to give you a couple options. You can delete today, or you can delete a custom range. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that and show you. And basically you can choose a certain range, like from this date to this date that you want to delete. Okay, and then it'll delete all the history. Go ahead and you can put in the it says the month, the year, and the date. Okay, and then the third option is just to delete all time. And then so if you confirm and push delete here, it will erase everything. And that's pretty much it, guys. So just make sure you get to the manage history portion, and then you'll see your YouTube history, and you're on the right YouTube account. You don't want to accidentally delete another account. Anyhow, thanks for watching, and I hope this helps out. If it does, please consider subscribing and liking. Appreciate it. See you next time. Quick assist.